kaurabane nahati laira tampak chaukibi nura ine machado koloi minglel thambalu koloi minglel thambalu Aydil thagi ayukta kalag lay chil nong phai lagta Aydil thagi ayukta kalag lay chil nong phai lagta Mangani chanba thajabu yengduna jingu barog lai mangda lai ramacha muhon singa lai pul oishi wasak nakhiba khangli roi do nahati thawbal ture thawbal ture Baki lamdam sida kari dilairi ningsing khudam Irai baki lamdam sida kari dilairi ningsing khudam Nungsi chaina se natana Thamoi khudingda lairiba lai sangkhong thingmel thingkhibagi dirunwari atopada taubimal khande hairakani thawbal ture lon thokbi thawbal ture kaurabarane nahati laira tampak chaukibi nura ine machado koloi minglel thambalu koloi minglel thambalu 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 lon thokbi thawbal ture thawbal ture thawbal ture nungsibina chất khi bờ mai cây yeng duna ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯍꯧꯏ ꯏꯗꯣꯝꯇ ꯀꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯍꯧꯏ ꯏꯗꯣꯝꯇ ꯀꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯑꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯔꯕꯥꯟ ꯋꯥꯡꯃꯗ 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 ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯅ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ yengduna yengduna ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯊ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯜ ꯁꯤꯔꯝꯂꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯊ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯜ ꯁꯤꯔꯝꯂꯒ ꯏꯔꯥꯜꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯂꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯅ ꯁꯥꯕꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯅ ꯁꯥꯕꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯗꯨꯅ 이반이기 머리부 타달람라가 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 뭉시비나 샷키바 마이카이 옌두나 옌두나 ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯂꯝꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯂꯝꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯕꯨ ꯐꯥꯒꯤꯒꯨꯝ ꯈꯟꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯨꯕ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯨꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯂꯦ ꯅꯪꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯅ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯍꯧꯏ ꯏꯗꯣꯝꯇ ꯀꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯅ lephawi idomta kairaba ashagi torban wangmada nushibina chakhiba maikai yengduna 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 hey 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 la 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 ꯉꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯗꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ भजे नंगी बद पाजये हेली हेली नंगी पुनमक्तै हेली ने भज भज नंगी बद पाजये हेली हेली नंगी पुनमक्तै हेली ने इज्जत चाकसे Sanga nungsiba pumamatay heli laglone inaksida nungsibi satam do yeng lage o pena unangki minokuni aina Nungsi haibadudani aina haifam khangriba o nangki minoktuni aina ngauriba Khali thamoy na di tatana Mishum laiwa pubirane ng Cebu Khali thamoy na di tatana Mishum laiwa pubirane ng Cebu Miku kuding Pungsa kuding Nungsi bisak tamta uningi pajabalai tagisu Nungsi binang gisak tamna pumanali Unangki minoktuni aina ngauriba Unangki miteng dunia na chakliba Nungsi haibadudani aina haipam khangriba wainam lainam puraduna lamta thadi nam haure do inglab thabal mangalda irang pubi basantaga iroinana ngasi dinakle sajibutha leitil marumda sajibuthana lakpasida ningthamgi leitil marumda sajibuthana lakpasida locharambiyening momon mino damlagle nang sunog larone mahaushagum ngasi dinakle sajibutha leisak leichuda ningthijabi kombirei kusum leirisu leichuda ningthijabi kombirei kusum leirisu jagoi khute kaladuna matam giyaol tan khada anauba chahibu uksariye ngasi dinakle sajibutha rakpage ningtham liklada yata haupi kari mapabu purakpage ningtham liklada yata haupi waksing ulen nang haurabi sajibuthagi gula nahagna ngasi dinakle
promise. Keep the promise.
State government ki koi recommendation ne duga second anisubada amend the existing norms of utilization of local area development fund of MLA MPs so that MLA MP na at least 10% pauti akoi gi nupi gi HIV prevention and care and support activities ta moi gi at least 10% pauti MLA moi gi fundu de gi 10% pauti nupi gi damakta sigi specific oina khaidong na bagi akoi na smaina thamme ko adegi di the state government is also requested to arrange for provision of 35 kilos of rice to the HIV positive women and widows so akadu na taga sidi akoi na kona negotiation taw na kanda duga chang du dia mu moina haina ra kanda ko kan amuka su semdok semjin ya kini kale duga ration card to the it should not adde da moi HIV positive ne hai begi tham du di ration card de ko na utkano na hai ba adegi the state government may take a special measures to reduce the dropout rates of female students from class 5 to 10 for all ethnic groups in all districts. Adegi state government to enact a law for making the HIV AIDS training mandatory. Akogi metric pekha thaba matam da. Adegi di angangi amalere duga HIV AIDS training mandatory for appointment of school and college teachers. Adegi the state government may ban any kind of discrimination of people living with HIV AIDS in the workplace as a part of the workplace policy and by introducing a new law. Adegi the state government may introduce an appropriate law in the Manipur Legislative Assembly to overcome the legal barriers and discrimination and stigmatization of people living with HIV AIDS. Ngarang de koi na khana pada koi gi law ma watli policy ma wat de have to gi damata appropriate law ma sidi law si sema pa matam da su consultation with koi huziktil liba stakeholders ma'am adegi Manipur State Commission for Women adegi di MLFA adegi di ma'am lay riba NGOs ma'am si stakeholders ma'am se pulla kanda same ga dawni state government na ekta moina tongana same ga dawu admaina oiro adegi Manipur State Commission de su koina specific recommendation khat hamieba Manipur State Commission for Women na paikhat pa yaba kanu thabak sing the Manipur State Commission for Women may initiate drafting of a law in consultation with legal experts without further delay for submission to the state government. State government de koi na law ma same ne hai na de koi na thamgre recommendation oina aduga koi na state commission nupigi state commission amo oina koi na initiate to ga initiate to was koi gi expert committee on law na koi gi commission gi so ama laizari madugi matakta koi na daka level legal expert khara tana na matung da koi na initiate to wa na si Manipur State Commission gi da makta specific recommendation amathame ade Manipur State Commission may initiate a research study on the economic impact of HIV AIDS on women and children in Manipur akoi gi hai bade di loin tare du ga documented proof oina